Alright, so I'm doing this video on my own. Let's see how it goes. I was halfway through my nebulizer treatment, and I thought I'd stop and make a video and let you guys see, how it's done. I haven't had pneumonia in like 14 years, knock on wood. And I'd like to accredit it to, if you saw my other two videos, how my nurses have learned how to cough me. I also would have to say it's because of my nebulizer and my cough assist machine. And doing this video on my own, I thought I'd show you how I do it on my own. Alright, so like while I'm doing my nebulizer treatment, I tend to exercise. I brought my Theracane in, and I have my hand roller, so I'm going to pop this in, finish my treatment, and I'll show you what I do while I do my treatment. Hold on. Yeah, you see how I put this in here? It allows for me to get it. I just stick the hose, like against the hose. But hold on. I'll be right back. I gotta go get my pillow. Just give me a handicap second. Or a minute. I'm not going to edit these videos at all, so... Alright. Now. Yeah. An inch is a mile in handicap. In quadriplegic land. And I'm parked wrong. Hold on. One moment, please. In doing my treatment too, if you saw in my other coughing videos, like I've learned I only have these muscles, so like when I take a breath in, it doesn't fill my lungs, so I take like 3 or 4 breaths in. If you'll watch how my breathing goes when I do my treatment. If you want to be a good quadriplegic and do it right, that's how I learned, because then it fills your whole lungs up. Otherwise, it just fills up this part of your lungs. I saved the best for last. I'm not sure if you can see that, so I thought I'd back up. Almost empty. There's only so much time in the day, so I kind of incorporate everything. But if you saw in my one video I made of the Theracane, in the back of my head, the muscles get really tight. Alright, so that's pretty much done. Now you want to see how to fill it? They have new ones that they came out with, and I'm too handicapped for the new ones. So I called and I complained and asked them, like, I need the old school one. So alright, as long as the nurse didn't screw this on all the way tight, I'll show you how to get it off. Like I can't squeeze with my hands. So like I brace this one and I go on the top and I go like this. And it pops that off. But yeah, the new blue one that they got, that they came out with the blue top and the clear bottom, it's not handicap accessible. That's option one. Now if the nurse screws it on too tight, you can wiggle like this part off the top and squirt it through like the neck part of that. And with the new one that, I don't know, I like to give engineers crap, that when they get paid to like update, you know, or make something better, that it ends up complicating our lives a little bit more. But yeah, like I said, I put this part in over the hose, and it sits there just nice because of my hand, the way that it is. I can pull it out. And yeah, one thing I've learned, better make sure that you have that screwed on there tight, because if this bottom part flies out, all of the treatment, the albuterol, will like spew up in your face and all over your hands. Alright, the cough assist machine. Wasn't going to do this one on camera, but I suppose. So, you saw how the nurses, like, I have to take a deep breath in, and then they'll count to 3 as I'm breathing in, and they, oops, oh shit, just hope I don't run it over. Alright, a lot of cough assist machines, they have the one that goes over the nose and the mouth. I don't like that one. I like this one. I keep my inhale at like 2 seconds, and then my exhale at about 2 seconds, and then the break at about 3 seconds in between. I usually get sick like when like the pollen comes out in the spring and then also in the fall, to the point where I have a lot of stuff in my lungs, and between, like I said, the albuterol and the cough assist and my nurses, I also go and I get that zip pack, the Zithromax. I know that without that, you know, within a couple weeks I would have my lungs collapse and I would have pneumonia really bad. But I'm pretty adamant, you know, I got a good doctor, and the emergency room knows me pretty well too. But, you ready to see this? Alright. I always let it go one cycle. Exhale. kind of cool. It's not bringing anything up for you guys to see. But a lot of times it pushes all the air down to the bottom of your lungs, and then it brings that stuff up. Sometimes it comes out and you gotta be quick so it doesn't suck back in there and fly in your face. And a lot of times though too, it'll get just sit in my throat, you know, and then like, I don't know, it's something bad to talk about, but you know, it has to be talked about. I'm gonna go one more cycle and then I'll try it for you. It's probably not working because I know I'm on camera. You see how I'm pulling on my armrest? It really helps oomph it out. One more try. Nope, you get nothing. But one cool secret with this machine, you know, you see how it blows? I will turn the inhale all the way up. Like if I spill crumbs on me or my chair is dirty, and I'll turn the pause all the way down, and you have like an automatic blower. So if you have like crumbs anywhere you need to quick clean yourself off, you can use your cough assist for that. Probably should. Now we're back down to normal. I'll try one more time. I was a little off on that timing. I gotta wait one more cycle. Nope, you get nothing. But yeah, I'll just fold the hose, drop it in between. Oh, good quadriplegic. But yeah, you know, I don't know what I'd do without my cough assist machine. I did get a new one, and that one doesn't work as well as the old school one. I guess I haven't figured it out yet, but, you know, between these two things and my cough assist from the nurse, you know, it keeps me from getting pneumonia, you know, every year, you know. It's one of the #1 killers of quadriplegics. But, yeah. I hope you enjoyed my little video, and like I said, you know, I mean, it can be a pain in the butt for a quad to have to do your albuterol treatments all the time, but, you know, if you exercise during them, you know, like I do, I don't multitask. Sometimes I bring my broomstick in and, you know, bend my back around. That's kind of why I got the pillow behind my back. You know, my muscles get tight too and get cramped, so I do my arms, and then the reason why I do my legs is because it helps with, like, the clonus spasm and whatnot. And then sometimes, you know, I ran out of albuterol, but I'll go forward and I'll pull my cheetah pillow out, and then I'll roller my back and whatnot. But, yeah. So, I guess I shall say goodbye. Tell you to take care until next time. And like I said, I'm not editing this, so I'm going to stop this recording, and hopefully you won't land on the floor and I won't have to pick you up or anything. But, yeah. So, until next time, take care. Maybe.